How to activate Synchrony Mastercard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Synchrony Mastercard. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser and search for Activate Synchrony Card, and after you search for that, you should see these different options. So we'll need to scroll down until we find this mastercard.syf.com, that is Synchrony Mastercard. Tap on this website. Then after you're on this website, you will see this Activate My Synchrony Mastercard. So right here, all you have to do is enter out your card number. After you do that, enter out your security code on the back of the card. Then finally, the 4 digits of your social security number. After you do that, tap on Activate My Card and you should be good to go. And that's how you activate your Synchrony Mastercard. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.